Can you talk about how can HA architectures be used to enable rolling or near zero downtime patching?
Right. Yeah. The basic idea is pretty simple. Instead of shutting down the application to patch it, you move the workload somewhere else first. So in a clustered environment, you usually have an active node and a standby node. And the standby node is already running and ready to take over in those unexpected failures we talked about earlier. But in patching, you could patch the standby node first, and once it's patched and you know everything looks good, you fill the workload over to it. Now the newly patched server becomes the active system, and then you go back and patch the original node. And the same idea, if things didn't go as to plan when you patch that backup system, you have a simple way to roll back. You can just fail back to the unpatched node until you figure out what went wrong. But from the user's perspective, the application stays available or nearly available the entire time, with the interruption is just usually a few seconds during the switchover process. So instead of one risky maintenance event, you break the patch event into small controlled steps. So that approach takes a lot of the fear out of patching.